Our agenda this summer is to be as cool as cucumber. Cucumbers and salads are synonymous with each other. Cucumbers are mostly made of water and several important nutrients that are essential for our body. They are low in calories, fats, cholesterol, and sodium. Cucumbers are refreshing to eat in hot weather due to its mild and refreshing taste. They are made of 96% of water, which makes it great for summers. That's the highest water content of any food. That's the reason it helps us to stay hydrated. Summers are not only the season one can eat cucumber, it is available throughout the year. Especially in summers, you need to eat super cool fruits and vegetables to beat the heat and to flush out the toxins from our body. As cucumbers contain 96% of water, they are ideal for detoxification and preventing dehydration. Cucumbers are rich in phytonutrients and vitamin K. They are also a very good source of pantothenic acid and molybdenum. They also contain copper, potassium, manganese, vitamin C, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B1. Cucumbers are a good source of potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are known to lower blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart diseases. Research has also proved that regular consumption of cucumber juice was helpful in reducing blood pressure in elderly people with hypertension. Cucumbers are known to reduce blood sugar levels, thus being helpful in the management and prevention of diabetes mellitus. Cucumber acts as a coolant for stomach. The soluble fiber in cucumber helps in digestion. Also, the high content of water in cucumber prevents constipation and keeps our bowel movement regular. Phytochemicals present in cucumber destroy the bacteria in the mouth that can cause bad breath. It is best to eat cucumbers unpeeled to prevent the loss of some fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Raw cucumbers can be tossed in salads, sandwiches, and curd for a crunchy taste. The fiber in cucumber protects from colorectal cancer. Also, cucurbitacin present in cucumber possesses anti-cancer properties. Cucumbers contain silica, which is excellent for hair and nail care. They help in strengthening the nails and prevent them from becoming brittle. Cucumbers are great beauty enhancers. They show amazing effects on the skin. The application of cucumber juice on the skin makes it soft and glowy. Anti-inflammatory effects of cucumber naturally lighten our skin and reduce tanning. It also reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Keeping cucumber slices on the eyes for about 10 minutes can relax our eyes and reduce the puffiness around the eyes. Cucumber is great when you apply it to your skin. It is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and it also contains beneficial nutrients such as vitamin A, B1, C, biotin, and potassium. Cucumber lightens, brightens, hydrates, and tones your skin. And that's really only the tip of the iceberg. Cucumber really is a wonderful addition to your skincare routine. Here are some best cucumber face mask recipes just for you. The nice thing about cucumber is that it doesn't require any processing or preparation to be useful in the fight against wrinkles. Just cut off a few slices and you're good to go. That's right, a cold cucumber compress is an effective way to fight small wrinkles when they first appear. For cucumber compress, all you have to do is just cut thin slices of cucumber. Place these slices in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, or you can also keep it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Sit down or lie down so that your body is in parallel with the floor. Place the cold cucumber slices on your skin and relax. Keep the cucumber slices on your skin for about 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, simply discard the cucumber slices and you can continue with your day. Using cold cucumbers as a compress is a safe method and you can do it every day to keep your skin smooth and youthful. Even the juice from a fresh cucumber can be used to combat sagging skin and the signs of aging. Here's how to harness the power of cucumber juice to keep your face looking its best. Peel a cucumber and then cut it into small slices. Place the slices in a blending jar and puree it. Strain the puree and extract the juice. You can fill it in a spray bottle for ease of application, or you can also use the cotton balls to apply it on your face. Wash your face and neck with warm water and any mild cleanser to remove any makeup. This preps the skin by opening your pores. Apply the cucumber juice to your skin or spray it onto your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes. There's just something about that fragrant, cooling mist that feels so refreshing and even indulgent. When the 15 minutes are up, wash your face with cold water and pat dry. You can see that your skin will feel tighter and healthier with just one treatment. Moisture is an important part of keeping your skin healthy. It helps treat existing wrinkles and prevent new wrinkles from forming. But it doesn't take an expensive cream to get all the moisture you need. That's because cucumbers are packed full of moisture. Here's how to use a cucumber mash face mask for powerful healing. Slice cucumber and place it in a blender and blend it into a puree. Wash your face and neck before to remove any dirt or makeup and to open pores. Apply the cucumber mash directly on your face and neck. Let the mask sit for 15 minutes. Wash your face with plain water and pat dry with a soft towel. Cucumber is great for aging skin because it soothes, hydrates, and heals dry skin. And when you add aloe vera into the mix, you have got an especially potent recipe. That's because aloe vera hydrates, heals, and helps reverse the aging process like no other natural ingredient. Here's how to make the simple hydrating mask. Cut unpeeled cucumber into slices. Put these slices into a blender. Add about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera pulp and blend until smooth. Wash your face and then apply this paste evenly onto your face and neck. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes are up, gently massage and rinse off the mask with cold water and pat dry. I'm sure your skin will say, "That feels much better." Do you suffer from dry, irritated skin? If so, this is the face mask for you. Our cucumber and yogurt face mask is great for shrinking dilated blood vessels, tightening pores, reducing redness and irritation, decreasing swelling and inflammation, pumping moisture into dry skin, and promoting the repair and healthy functioning of your skin's protective barrier. It doesn't take a large number of special ingredients or a lot of mixing to reap these rewards. All you need is a cucumber and some yogurt. Place unpeeled cucumber slices in a blender and blend it into a puree. Transfer the cucumber pulp in a mixing bowl and add about a teaspoon of yogurt. Mix well until the cucumber and curd is thoroughly mixed. Wash your face and spread an even layer of this mix onto your face. Let the mask dry for about 15 minutes, then wash off the mask with water. Do this regularly to see amazing results. If you're looking for a face mask to fight off skin infection, restore skin's natural color, and reduce discoloration, look no further than our cucumber and rose petal powder recipe. Puree a cucumber in a blender. Pour the puree in a small mixing bowl. Add about a teaspoon of dried rose petals powder. Mix well. Wash your face and apply a layer of this mask to your face and neck. Let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse the mask off with water thoroughly. I hope these recipes will help you in maintaining your skin health this summer. You can watch some best hair care tips using fenugreek and black cumin seeds in this video. If you want to know how to use rice and flaxseed gel for shiny hair, click here.